Hello guys, how are you? In previous video, we have seen the nomenclature. Already I have recorded that video is there in our YouTube channel. If you didn't watch, you go and watch once that channel, that first video. Okay. Whatever I have covered in that basic concepts we have covered in nomenclature. What are those root word and also primary suffix? Okay, and the primary prefix. Okay, we are discussing about these three. Uh, Already we have gone through that in our first video. We have completed till primary suffix, that is alkanes. In alkanes it becomes in, alkenes it becomes in, and alkynes it becomes ein. Okay, that is primary suffix. Primary prefix, what we have seen here, cyclo primary prefix we can use, and the second one is bicyclo primary prefixes, that is third part of name, writing a name of organic compound. Third part we have already written that. I am revising that once again. Primary prefix, just look at here. That is, you can say here cyclo, and second one is bicyclo. You can see here bicyclo, and the third one is, you can say that spiro. These three types of compounds we have seen. Okay, right. Now here, when you observe here, how to write these are primary prefixes we can use generally. Okay, right, we'll give examples about this. Cyclo, for example, if you take here cyclo, how to use cyclo group, just look at here. If you take here CH2, CH2, CH2 and bond, it is called, you can say that, cyclopropane. Cyclopropane, here cyclo is primary prefix, we can say here primary prefix. Okay, and prop is root word, and n is primary suffix. Okay, primary prefix, root word, primary suffix, you can say. Here it also can be written as, it can also be written as, or it can be, carbon contains always four bonds, that's why I am writing that H. You can see that hydrogens, totally how many carbons are there? Three carbons, that's why probe. How many bonds surrounded by each carbon? Four bonds. Two hydrogens and two carbons are attached to each carbon, you can see here. Or it can also be written as directly it can be written as, it can in that manner. See, these are all correct, you can say. For example, it is cyclobutane, cyclopropane. Cyclobutane means how to write, this is cyclobutane. And you know cyclopentane means this one. Cyclohexane means you can write in this manner. Yeah, in all these cases primary prefix is there. And the next one bicyclo, you see, this is first one cyclo, and the second one is bicyclo. Just look at here, bicyclo, how to use this. Yeah, you just see, bicyclo means how many carbons I'm taking. In cyclic compounds, minimum three carbons. With three carbons only, cyclic compounds can be formed. Bicyclo means two rings are fused together. Yes, you see, I am showing that. It is cyclopropane. If you fuse the two cyclopropane rings, this is called bicyclic compound. Yeah, it can also be written as I am showing here. C H H. Yeah, C C, and bond is there. Yeah, C. Here, how many bonds are surrounded by this carbon? One, two, three. Already three are over. That's why fourth one hydrogen. Here also. Here also. 3 bonds over 1 hydrogen. In this case, 2 bonds are attached to 2 other carbons and 2 hydrogens. Totally 4 bonds must be there. Therefore, it can be written like this, or it can also be written CH, CH. There is a bond in between 2 carbons and CH2. Yes. What is the name of this compound? How to write? You can see here these carbons are called these 2 carbons are called bridged carbons. What we say? Bridged carbons, because the bridge is there to the 2 rings, bridged carbons. We can see here 2 bridged carbons. You can say that. Total how many carbons are here? Totally 4 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how to write it? Because it is 2 cyclic rings are fused, that's why it is called as bicyclo. You can write it as, yeah. To this bridged carbon, how many carbons attached here? 1 carbon left side, 1 carbon right side to the fused bond. Therefore it is 1 comma 1, 1 1. And there is no other carbon here, that's why it is 0, 1 1 0. You can total how many carbons? 4 carbons. That's why bicyclo 1 comma 1 0 butane. Here bicyclo is primary prefix and 1 comma 1 comma 0 is numerical prefix. Numerical prefixes we say that, and but means root word, and ane means what we say, primary suffix. Okay, therefore we are concentrating primary prefix, root word, primary suffix. Now we are discussing about primary prefix, that's why it is, you can say bicyclo. Okay, yeah. See here, we can write one more compound. You see that, for example, take this compound. Yeah, take this compound. Here, how many carbons are there totally? These two are bridge carbons. Other than these two, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 carbons are there. It can be written as bicyclo. Here, left side, how many are there to this bridge carbons? 2. 2. 2 comma 2 comma 1. Now it is 1. 2 comma 2 comma 1. Here 2, here 2, and this is 1. 2 comma 2 comma 1. Descending order. You have to write here 2 comma 2 comma 1. Total how many carbons I said? Total 7 carbons. That's why hept. Since 7 carbons, hept. Root word hept ane. You can say here. Bicyclo hept ane. We say that. If different carbons are there, how to write the name? Just look at that. We will see here. If different number of carbons are there, how to write the name? We'll go through that. Just look at this. Yeah. Now, if you take the compound, yes, take this. If you take this compound, what is the name? Yeah, here these are fused carbons, sorry, bridged carbons. We can say it is these two rings are fused. In one ring, you see, 4 carbon ring and 5 carbon rings are fused. You can say that. Therefore, this can be written as bicyclo. See, here 3 carbons are there. Here 2 carbons only. That means from higher number to lower number you have to write here 3 comma 2 comma 0. Total how many carbons are here? 7 carbons again. 3 plus 2 plus 2. Yes, total 7 carbons again. Therefore, bicyclo 3 comma 2 comma 0 heptane. Again, same manner. It is primary prefix, and hept means root word, and en means secondary, sorry, primary suffix, we can say here. See, I'm writing the same compound, same manner, but there is a slight change in this compound. Just you just check it here. Yes. Now, just look at this. Here, these two are bridge carbons. Now, how many carbons are here? Left side 3, right side 2, and one, bridge over this extra carbon. Here it is connecting this one. Therefore, it can be written as total. How many carbons become now? 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Total 8 carbons are there. Therefore, it can be written as bicyclo 3, comma 2, comma 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, comma 2, comma 1 octane. Okay. In this manner, we have to give the name. Okay. Right. Yes. Next one, you see, third. Third one is what? Spiro. Spiro. Yeah. Spiro means here two rings are fused to only one carbon. Two rings. Two cyclic rings are fused to one carbon. We can see here. Right. This this is started with minimum number of carbon atoms. I am showing here. It is cyclopropane. This is also cyclopropane. These two rings are fused together through a common carbon. This common carbon we can say here, spirocarbon, we say that, and it is called spiro compound. These compounds, if the two cyclic rings are, connected to the same carbon, then it is called spiro. Yeah, here it is. It also can be written as, you see that, C H H, yes, C H H, and this is carbon, which is now total how many bonds are there? Two bonds are here, two bonds are here. That's why there is no hydrogen to that carbon. Carbon should contain always how many bonds, I said? Totally four bonds. Okay, is that clear? Yes, it's very important to remember total how many bonds should be there. Carbon contains only four because it has tetravalency, we can say here. Therefore, four carbons. This is the compound. It can also be written as, I am writing that also, CH2, CH2 bond, C, CH2, CH2 bond. Yes, these are all related to that compound. Yes, how to write this name here? Because we required primary prefix here. What we required? Primary prefix. That's why I'm writing two on left and two on right are there. Therefore, it can be written as, how many total carbons are there? Five carbons are there. Therefore, it can be written spiro 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2, total 5 carbons. That's why spiro 2 comma 2 pentane. Spiro 2 comma 2 pentane, we can say here. Right. And the next one, if you take here, see the similar number of carbons, you can say in that manner. But if different number of carbons, how can it be right? We will see that. Yes. You see here, what is the name of this compound? Here, two carbons on right and four carbons on left to the spirocarbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here only 1 and 2 you can see here. It can be written in. See, in bicyclic compounds, what we have taken, from higher to lower we have taken positions. 3, 2, 1 we have taken here. 3, 2, 1. But here we see 2 comma 4. Yes, from lower to higher you have to. Okay, this is ascending order, not descending order. We say that spiro 2 comma 4, because 2 are right side and 4 are left, therefore 2 comma 4. Total how many carbons are here? Total 7 carbons. 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore spiro 2 comma 4 heptane. You can say that. Spiro 2 comma 4 heptane. Yes, if you will take one more compound here. Yes, very simple manner. We'll take one more compound here. Yes, just look at that. Let me take the same ring here, but here number of carbons increased. Now in this case, what? Left side 4, right side became 3 now. Yes, right side became 3 now. Total how many carbons it becomes now? Total 8 carbons. Total how many carbons? 8. The 8 means what you have to write? Oct. Oct. You see, spiro, I am writing here, spiro 3 comma 4, right side 3, 1 2 3, lower number then higher, 1 2 3 4. This carbon, it is not considered. Yeah, 3 comma 4, you can say here spiro 3 comma 4 octane. Spiro 3 comma 4 octane. Yes, this is all about, you know, three parts we have seen till now. What are those? First one, root word. Root word means how to write it. Meet, one carbon means meet, two means eth, three means prop, but, pent, x, hept, so on. We can say here in that manner based on number of carbon atoms in the organic compound. Already we have seen here. Okay, that is, you know, root word. Root word. After that root word, what we have seen? Second part of the IUPAC nomenclature. Second part is what here? Primary suffix. What is primary suffix? In, in, ein. Yes, we can revise like in. For alkanes in, for alkenes in, for alkynes ein. Basically, we can say here. Okay. Under you know, primary prefix. What are those? Generally, we use cyclo, bicyclo, and spiro. Till this, we have completed, you know, three parts for the writing of name of organic compounds. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.